Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikmahani bin Muhammad Hamidi.
My name is Muhammad Harif Fazilah bin Muhammad Said.
My name is Muhammad Syafiq Azmi bin Nusaidi.
My name is Muhammad Nur Rafiq bin Rozimi.
The purpose of the SIIDCOM is to improve the skill thinking out of the box of the participants to produce a creative product or project. Second, to produce competitive properties in the participants to be more adventurous in the future. Third, to produce students who are sensitive to environmental problems, are more creative and innovative.
I took them all for saviors. Live my life a certain way. I don't need a kind of captain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from FHCTC group. Today I will going to present about student project monitoring application using Android platform. Okay, introduction. Nowadays, model subject in university with student to complete specific project for subject. Okay, lecturer are normally assign the project consistent several tests going of a student and individual. The student need to complete and submit text by specific date given by lecturer. Okay, the problem this project there is a situation that students submit their text at lecturer room without meeting directly their lecturer. Okay. Second, the problem they need to ask their lecturer to know the status for their submission, such as accept the resemination. Okay.
What is their main feature for the system?
Okay. This picture to divide to a module. First, lecturer module. Second, student module. Okay. Lecturer module can update the book. Can update user information. Okay, lecturer module need add new student. After that, view the project progress. View summary for student project. Assign the project and add the comment. Okay. For the student module, student can update user information, enroll project, title in group member, view progress, view project progress, tick the status submission and view project status, and view the comment.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So next we move to the advantages for the system.
Our advantage for project is benefit to both student and lecturer, and project is a simple application and portable application.
That's all for the system student project monitoring application. So as a conclusion, I think this system is have a potential to be used all the campus in UiTM in around Malaysia. So that's all. Thank you.
Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Hadir Bajimuddin. Okey, pada hari ini saya akan introduce tentang sistem saya iaitu an Innovative Exhibition Gallery System atau ringkasnya EEGS. Okey, sistem ni adalah satu sistem yang mana dia memberikan platform kepada design students khususnya untuk market dia punya artwork secara online. Jadi dengan adanya sistem ni sebab dia web based, tidak perlu lagi awak ni dikonsultasikan di dalam physical gallery store dan government gallery seperti Dewan Galeri Visual Negara, Seni Visual Negara. Jadi dengan adanya sistem ini kita boleh pamerkan artwork ni secara online dan menjual dan juga review daripada expert-expert. Jadi dengan adanya satu platform yang baru, student dapat menggunakan platform ini dalam memasarkan artwork mereka.
Alright, I am Rizkan bin Sa'ari. For the problem statement, there are several problems that have in this. Based on my study, based on our research, the problem, the first one is the problem in the searching the place for exhibition, arrange that a bit expensive, and choosing the appropriating the date. For the information, the price or percent that charged by the gallery in the physical gallery or exhibition for the each of artwork, the charge is about 15 to 20% per artwork. Other than that, this issue or this charge is quite expensive and give the problem or challenges to the solo artist and also for the art and design student. Next, usually the private gallery give the opportunity to exhibit their artwork in the government or swasta gallery. They most prefer the artists who have well-known and famous person to exhibit their artwork rather than the solo artists or the artists who less known or unknown. Alright, for the second problem statement is the lack of the showcase platform, the promotion and sell their artwork to the people. Mostly, the gallery only invite the famous, as I mentioned before this. Most galleries invite the famous and well-known artists. So, if you give the problem to the solo artists and student in art and design, which face the challenges or problem in terms of cost. Next, in Malaysia, usually gallery are located in Kuala Lumpur. For example, Balaseni Lukis Visual Negara and Publica Shopping Gallery located in Kuala Lumpur, and usually the space in the physical gallery is quite small and limited. So this system the solution for this problem. Next, the gallery usually space quite uncomfortable, as I mentioned before this. So the problem of this issue is the reason why we all develop this system. For the objective of this system, the first one is to act as a platform to make online art exhibition gallery system, which their function is display artwork in the online, and then the artist also can sell, the customer can buy, and the expertise can give the review and comment about the artwork. The second objective is to give the convenience for the artists who want to exhibit their work to the customer to purchase it, and other than that is to easy for the access to the customer, easy the user friendly system that can help the customer to buy and the artist to sell. Next, the objective is to reduce the exhibition cost for the solo artists, our exhibition, and increase the awareness among the citizen about the art and design industry. That's all from me.
What is advantage and disadvantage?
So as Rizkan mentioned just now, this gallery, our gallery system use an online platform. So instead of using a physical platform where it's restricted and small, and the price is also quite high, so we can use this system so that anyone who is under the art and design can just simply register themselves and upload their artwork in our system. So instead of paying the price for the gallery, they only need to pay the price for their artwork that they sell. For example, about 5%. So this is also cheaper than the physical gallery itself, where they take about 15 to 20% of commission and profits from the sell artwork. So by using this artwork, it can be cheaper, and also the advantage is that instead of restricting the people or the person that register and use the system, like physical gallery where only well-known or people that are popular can be displaying can be invited or be displayed in our gallery. So people from all over the world is, for example, the fresh graduate can also register themselves and upload their works to be sold and as a platform for whole people to see and purchase their work.
Okay, so we have done our visit in Dewan Pro. So there are 5 sisters that compete in this event. So we have made 2 systems, 2 review systems. The first is student project monitoring application using Android platform, and second is EEGS, stand for
Exhibition gallery system.
yes. Uh, so our comment is this system have a high potential to be used in UiTM. So I hope this system can be what they call
Can be integrated.
yes, integrated with other UiTM. So the first system is monitoring student project monitoring application. You make can you make some comment about the system? Right.
I like this student project monitoring application that using Android. I don't know what to say, but I like it. You know, when using the SPM apps, the student doesn't have to go to consult their madam or sir or doctor and just play with their phone by submitting and so on. So it doesn't waste time, and people get lazy sometimes and go to sleep while submitting their report.
Okay, next is I like there are main features that has for the lecturer module, like update the user information, add a new student, project and view project progress, like view summaries of students, project as assignment status, and add comment. And then there are next is for student modules, like update user information, enroll project title and group, and view project progress, like tick status for submission, view project status, view comment. And this system also has a advantage and commercial. For the advantage is beneficial to both lecturer and the student. Next is simple application and portable application.
For the objective of the system is to design and develop a project monitoring application based on Android platform. And I like the uniqueness of the system is it is the project monitoring process compared to manual process. So it means the work to do in online, same like the island as UiTM use. The system is not from UiTM, it's from OPSI. You know OPSI? Next, the uniqueness of system is a mobile application based that can be accessed everywhere through online at the right time and at the right place.
So for me, both of these systems have their own advantages and their own function. I think EEGS and monetary student application is the best system, which is and have even developed yet before this. So I think this the best system.
So the comment about EEGS, I also like it, but it doesn't for the student actually. But because it has value to the artist and some you call the one pencil and drawing, you know that might have useful to that. And when they use it, not they might not using the conventional, which is you have to go to gallery and have to purchase and so on. But with EEGS, you just sit in front of the computer and just log in and make a purchase there, and that's all.
I think that's all for our comment for this system. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Have a nice day.